Hi, welcome to Ask an English Teacher. I'm Amy. Ask me anything. Today I have a question from John in Taiwan. This is a fun question. Fun for me. I don't know if you'll think it's fun, but I like this question. John asks, what's the difference between did you ever and do you ever? Thanks, John. Did you ever is asking about something that's possibly happened in the past. Usually this is like a follow-up question like, hey, did you ever see that movie I recommended to you last month? Or, hey, did you ever complete the assignment? Do you ever is asking about your routine, like, do you ever ride a bike to work? Do you ever forget to brush your teeth? Do you ever eat at that restaurant? It's kind of like, at any time, do you have the habit or the routine of doing something? So did you ever, we're asking about something in the past. Do you ever is asking more about your habits and routines. Like, do you occasionally do something? Do you ever eat ice cream? Do you occasionally eat ice cream? Now, some of you may be wondering, what about have you ever? Have you ever is asking about something that has happened at any point in your life. Have you ever been to Japan? Did you ever go to Japan implies that we, at some point in the past, discussed the possibility of you going to Japan. Maybe you said, hey, Amy, I might go to Japan next month. And then several months later, I see you and I say, hey, did you ever go to Japan? Because I'm following up about something that may have happened in the past and I'm asking you about it. Do you ever go to Japan is like, do you ever travel there as a matter of habit or routine? Is that a place on your travel itinerary or travel list? All right, I hope this helps. Thanks so much, John. I look forward to more questions. Leave your questions for me in the comment section of this video. I will do my best to answer your questions in a future video. Thanks so much. Bye.